Yes, Felicia. Thank you for my blush on. Okay. Before sa ilahang royal dance, natay special award sa ato ang mga kandidata karong gabi una. We have the Face of the Night 2009. So, who do you think kinsa nakadaw? Little Miss Nika Fuentes for winning the Face of Kinsaman. Best in gown is none other than Little Miss Purok Malinaon 2009, Princess Shekina Gracia Gulang. Pakpak muna silingan. We would like to request the parents of Princess Shekina Gulang to give the award for the Best in Gown 2009. Mr. and Mrs. Gulang.
Ooh, it's something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out. It's something about her. Ooh, it's something about kind of woman that wants you but don't need you. Can't figure it out. It's something about her.
Dance. Ayan.
Ooh, there's
Nag-practice sila nilang royal dance mga 3 years. Exactly 3 years, Felicia, no?
something about her.
Ayan. Ha?
Nothing so sexy about kind of woman that'll lead me by hell. She says she got no shot. She's a
Kwape, kwape. Pe, gitawag ka, pe.
She work like a boss, play like a boss. Call me the kids, she got to play more ball.
Thank you very much, Nonoy Nano, for the coverage and all the later on na mga activities. My God, grabe. It's gonna be... Akan, everyone, let us now clap our hands for the royal dance of our Little Miss Purok Malinaon 2009 and her little princesses. Ating na nagsayaw Napoleon.
Don't wanna be kissed, touched, loved, and get my heart to someone else. I wanna make up, na-na-na-na. Make up, na-na-na-na. Do it again. I mean, I've been thinking in the end. I wanna make up, na-na-na-na. Baby, make up, na-na-na-na.
We would like to acknowledge, of course, Mrs. Emma De Los Reyes and Mrs. Miliebo. Thank you, Mom, for gracing the show and good evening.
I wanna make up.
So wala ni sila sa tunga karon dili ta ka-generate og dako nga income for kapilya. Thank you so much. Ayan. Pum pum pum